Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is a plus 11. This is equal to a. So what is the value of a? And given that a is not equal to 0. So let's prevent the solution from here. So by inspection here, we have that a plus 11, this is equal to a. So if we take a on the left hand side, this implies that here, this is the same thing as a minus a plus 11, this is equal to 0. So this implies that a minus a, in this case this is equal to 0, then plus 11, this is equal to 0. If we take plus 11 on the right hand side, this implies that 0 is equal to minus 11. In this case, 0 cannot be equal to minus 11. So let's solve this by applying the algebraic identity. Now, we have that a plus 11, this is equal to a. So applying the algebraic identity, that is a plus 11 raised to the power of 2, this is equal to a raised to the power of 2. So this implies that this part is in the form of x plus y raised to the power of 2, which we can express as x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. So applying this identity, then here we have a squared plus, we have 11 squared, then plus 2 times 11 times a, this is equal to a squared. So from here, we have a squared plus 11 squared, which is 121, then plus 11 times 2 times a, this is 22a. This is equal to a squared. So this implies that we can eliminate a squared, so that now we have 121 plus 22a, this is equal to 0. So in this case, let's take 121 on the right hand side, so that we have 22a, this is equal to 121. This is minus 121. So let's divide both sides by 22 from here. Now let's simplify here, so that a is equal to, now 121 divided by 11, this is 11, then 22 divided by 11, this is equal to 2. So we have a is equal to minus 11 over 2. So this implies that we can verify here. Let's verify. Now, if you recall, we have that a plus 11, this is equal to a. So let's substitute the value of, now let's verify that a equal to minus 11 over 2 satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we have that a plus 11, this is equal to a. Now, we have minus 11 over 2 plus 11, this is equal to minus 11 over 2. Now, since 11 is the whole number here, from here we have the LCM equal to 2. So 2 divided by 2 here, this becomes 1. 1 times minus 11, we have minus 11, plus here we have 2 divided by 1, this is 2 times 11, this is equal to 22. This is equal to minus 11 over 2. So minus 11 plus 22, this becomes 11 over 2, which is equal to minus 11 over 2. Now, in this case, 11 over 2 cannot be equal to minus 11 over 2. So this implies that a, which is equal to minus 11 over 2, does not satisfy the equation. does not satisfy the equation. Now, you find that A can only satisfy the equation in absolute terms. That is, if we have x equal to y, then this implies that x to the power of 2 is also equal to y to the power of 2. So this implies that the absolute value of x, this is equal to the absolute value of y. And that denotes that if we have the absolute value of a, in this case, that is we have 11 over 2. This is 11 over 2 in absolute terms. This is equal to the absolute of minus 11 over 2. This is the magnitude. So you find that 11 over 2 from here will be equal to 11 over 2. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you have alternative formulas, kindly showcase in the comment section. See you in the next video.